We would like to share a social story that we just created that talks about the wildfire situation that's going on in our area and what we can do to stay healthy. It talks about what causes fire, what it looks like, the impact of unhealthy smoke to our body, and why we need to stay indoors all the time. It talks about how we can cope with it by being patient and understanding, and think about things we can do to stay active inside. If you're interested in getting a free copy of this social story, please reach out to our Warm Line support service and we'll be happy to assist you. Have a great day, and we hope you're healthy and safe.